This is a testing at Tilo facility of their remote cable operated bath overflow and pop-up waste assembly. This one installed into a 1700 bath, so testing for water tightness and the operation of the remote cable operated pop-up bath waste. So far so good. We'll be filling this bath up and past the overflow point to see if it's any leaks, and so far so good. So just topping out that bath now, probably over 120 litres in this bath. So water tightness is good so far. There's no leaks. We'll undo this just to double check. There appears to be no leak on the outside of the bath anyway. So we'll check the water seal of the plug itself. It was installed with silicone seal yesterday, so given a day to put silicone to go, and there's not a drop coming out of there yet, and we don't expect there to be, because these pop-up wastes have a double silicone seal designed to take the full height of this bath, and actually more, up to 1.2 meters a bit of water. So once it goes past the overflow point, we'll see whether that's operational. That operation is successful as well. So a few litres to go yet, but we'll return in the next video once we have that filled up past that point of the overflow, which is here.